Hello, this is Brian Casey of the Imaging Wire. We are here at SIIM 2023, the annual meeting of the Society for Imaging Informatics in Medicine in Austin, Texas. It's good to be here in the booth of Bayer. We're here with Thanos Karras of Bayer and Ben Panter of Blackford. Gentlemen, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, you guys just completed a pretty big deal in February of this year, where Bayer acquired Blackford, so we're going to talk a little bit about that. But Thanos, if you can start by saying what was it that attracted Bayer, a pharmaceutical company, to Blackford, an AI developer?
Absolutely. So we've been working actually with Blackford since 2019. That was an initiative that started with our G4A initiative. To work together to promote and develop a platform. So we've been working for this for a number of years, and this was basically the culmination of 2 or 3 years of effort. So it did not happen instantaneously. It has been progression to that level to where we are today.
Great. Now, Ben, Blackford, you guys agreed to the acquisition, obviously, because we're all here. What was it about the partnership with Bayer that you found attractive?
Well, I think the real place that AI needs to prove itself is clinical, and getting that deep clinical value and proving that over time. And I think the combination of a technology-focused company like Blackford with the deep clinical expertise that Bayer brings was a fantastic combination. So that's really what drove us. They're aligned with our vision. They wanted to keep us as an arm's length company to maintain the pace of innovation that Blackford can deliver. And for us, that was incredibly attractive.
Great. Now, like I said, the acquisition was completed in February. How have things been going since then? It's been about 4 months. How is the integration going?
So, I think that typically when you get one company acquiring the other, you've got all sorts of difficult decisions about which product's going to survive, confusion around that. Actually, because Bayer Calantic have been a white label of Blackford's platform all along, we don't have to make those decisions. So we've hit the ground running. We've got a shared roadmap. We've got a shared team. It's all working really well.
Great.
Yeah, and if I can add to that, Brian, we only have one platform, right? The Calantic is based on the Blackford platform, so there is no decisions to be made which platform will survive or which platform will move forward. What we're doing is we're working actually very closely together in the field with our potential customers and prospects, and ultimately the decision is to have a Bayer platform and what Bayer platform and how we're going to deploy that to the customer sites. So it is never a decision of Blackford versus Calantic, because it is one platform that we have.
Perfect. Now, here at SIIM, day one of SIIM, what are you guys talking about here in your booth?
So in Bayer, we talk about the power of the platform. If you look at what is happening from an AI apps perspective, there is close to 260 AI apps for radiology specifically that have been approved for FDA. So the question is, how do you deploy technologies like artificial intelligence algorithms in hospital systems? And we all know, we have been through this many times, how painful it is to deploy a technology. So there is more than 200 independent companies now that they're building AI apps. So really, the only way that you can do a deployment of AI in scale is through a platform solution. And so that's what we're talking about. We're talking about the power of the platform and how we can help our customers get the benefits sooner than waiting 4 years for them to get benefits.
I think as Thanos says, we're seeing a lot of activity, we're seeing a lot of development in the market. It's actually now translating into commercial contracts, which we then can transfer into reference customers. And actually, it's not a thing on the horizon, it's a thing that's here now. People are really using it and using it at scale. And that's fantastic to see.
Yeah.
Good to see. So next 6 months through RSNA, where do you see the companies going? What's your roadmap for the near future?
So we actually have a shared development roadmap, which is going to be building all sorts of new functionality into the platform that gets shared between the two different brands. We see all sorts of interesting opportunities for further collaboration, for expanding the clinical application portfolio that we share. The future's bright.
Great.
Yeah, when we have engagements with customers and we have customers and we talk to customers about the future, there is only joint path that we have. One roadmap. We're going to take the customers into the future with a new platform, the combined platform that we have and the new functionality. So, I mean, that's kind of the story that we're going to be leading into RSNA.
Great, sounds good. Well, gentlemen, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Signing off from Austin, my name is Brian Casey.